Yeah. Light it slow.
What's good, Gromies? Welcome back to Weed Pop Gardening. We are back over here in the MarsHydro 4x4 for an update for y'all on the Pink Runtz. Before we get into that though, I just want to take a second and touch on a few things. Smash that like for me, sub up if you're new, make sure y'all hit that bell so you get the notifications. As y'all know, YouTube has been cracking down on the cannabis community, and we need you guys' help more now than ever to help get out there and reach more people, and also keep this thing thriving. I don't feel as though we're doing anything wrong, obviously, so I want to help people, and we're not trying to hurt nobody. So again, smash that like, drop a comment. Y'all know football season is upon us. I don't know, for all y'all OGs that have been here forever since the beginning, appreciate you, but y'all know I'm kind of a football fanatic, so go Rams, woo woo. Drop a comment for me, let me know what your favorite team is. I'm excited about this year. There's been a whole lot of changes in the NFL. Stoked on that. Before we get into this video, fam, I wanted to also mention to y'all 6K. Holy cow, thank you guys. I appreciate y'all so much. Couldn't do this without you guys, and I'm so grateful to be a part of this community. You guys are phenomenal, and I genuinely mean that with all my heart. I plan on doing a live. I don't know about giveaways, but I want to do a questions and answers to help y'all get to know me a little better. If y'all got grow questions, anything like that, turn your notification bell on so I can drop that for you, and you guys can see when that's going to happen. I'm sorry about last weekend. That was my bad. I wanted to get on, but the weekend got away from me. Don't forget about the merch line. We got some cool things out there as far as products go, which I would love to start seeing y'all running around in some Weed Pop stuff. I know I probably look like a crazy man running around town wearing Weed Pop Gardening, but gotta support the channel, y'all. Plus, I'm proud. I'm proud vet, man. It is what it is. Anyway, we got the merch line, like I said. We got channel memberships. Y'all are welcome to go check that out. I'm new to all this as far as it goes. I'm trying to improve things. So once you get into it, you got suggestions, hit me up, let me know. Constructive criticism is always welcome, y'all. So if you got it, send it over. Never gonna turn it down. Make sure you guys hit that like for me. Share it with your friends, because we need your help now more than ever with YouTube cracking down on the cannabis stuff. So appreciate you guys. As always, much love. Let's get into this. We are back over here in the MarsHydro 4x4 under that FC 6500. It's been a minute since we checked in here. Got the net set in place. We're gonna SCROG this one out. Like I said before, she's had a little bit of a rough go, but we're getting into it. I did not feed this thing anymore because she was darkening up, and I wanted to run this with Gaia to finish it out, because it's gonna be a long journey filling this up, and I just wanted to focus on letting it grow. It's a lot of work dealing with the green rush on a regular basis, so I figured Gaia Green was gonna be the way to go. So anyway, I let it dry out. Like I said, you can see she didn't get fed at all. It's been a minute, so she's a little opaque and got a little bit of browning going on for lack of nutrition. And she's gonna be all right though. Obviously, she's already starting to get good growth. Transplanted this yesterday and got the net set up 2 days ago. But that's just straight ProMix with some charcoal in the blend there for aeration and also moisture retention. This is that net that I set up and built myself, and I got it finally set up over here. As you can see, we got the adjustments in here, and then I built these with eye loops on the bottom so I could lock this in and fairly stabilize this. Obviously, it's still gonna have movement side to side, but it's not gonna push up once the plant gets big enough to actually retain on it. It's like it's fixed. So It's all set up, ready to go. We're just gonna keep tucking on this once we start getting some pretty good growth. I'm seeing the green start to come back in this, so shouldn't be long. We should start getting some explosive growth, and we'll just fill it on up, so stay tuned. But I'm gonna check back here in a day or two. I just want to get you guys caught up on what was going on over here. Today is water day for me. I know I went over the net on the last clip there. I wanted to get back in here and go a little more detail on what's going on over here. So I switched this out to the 15-gallon pot, and I got the little toppers here. So I know that some of y'all are gonna ask about these. I got those in there, so we got some airflow up underneath the pot, so we don't have issues with the bottom roots or the soil sitting stagnant there. I like airflow, so something I truly focus in on. So the net here for the SCROG is looking good. I wanted to show you guys we are getting some decent growth since the transplant. She's looking a whole lot better. Like I said, I didn't feed her at all, so I've kind of been holding out on that. We got a little bit of play here, but overall I'm super happy with this net that was built, and it's got some options as far as tightening it up throughout the run here. But anyway, we'll get into that down the road. If y'all hadn't seen the build on this, I will link that to the end of this video so you guys can see the process on how I went through it or went about it. If y'all are interested on it, I wanted to come in today. We are gonna feed. Well, I say feed. I can't say feed. I'm not feeding her. She is gonna get some water today. We got, she needs it. I initially put them in the pot. This was 3 days ago. And I mixed in Gaia green. I did a 50-50 blend on the soil. So for the Gaia with the ProMix down there, I rated it for 7.5 gallons on the mix. And for the 284 and the 444. So past that, I didn't add anything else to the soil. Let me take that back. I don't want to lie to y'all. I also put in a quarter cup of alfalfa meal, y'all. So other than that, that's all that I've got in there. I did not add worm castings yet. I'm gonna top dress that when I feed on the next run, just because, I don't know, preference. I know that he's coming quite a bit of their own nutrients in there with as far as lime and all that good stuff. So I just like to top dress sometimes with that when I'm doing the Gaia. I feel like it helps activate it once I put it in. But y'all can see she's still got some dampness to it. It's not dry. It looks totally dry on top, obviously, because I got fans blowing on it. But I'm gonna get in here today and get this super wet, soak her down, and we're gonna get into that so we can start letting her ride here and keep tucking, because I want to SCROG this out for y'all, and a lot of y'all said you'd be interested in seeing it SCROG. So sit tight on the ride. It's obviously going to be a little bit of a process here, but we'll get the growth going good on her, because I think she's finally healthy enough to get to that point, and we can start filling it in. She's gotten some decentness to her. I'm waiting for the Gaia to start kicking in here with the microbial life. So as far as the watering goes today, let me bring y'all over here with me. We are gonna get this set up. I got my 5-gallon pail over here, and I got 5 gallons of dechlorinated water. And forgive me, y'all, I know I said this on the last run or a couple of videos ago. Farmer's Secret soil revitalizer. This is for building the foundation for the soil. I don't know why in the world I kept calling it. I don't even know. Anyway, I wasn't calling it. I kept saying amino acids. It's humic acids, y'all. My fault. Total brain fart. Must have been baked when I said it. Which, as y'all know, I'm kind of chilling most days when I'm recording. So, anyway, the humic acids in this will help build the soil up and allow for nutrient uptake way better than just riding it out. So I will still be using like recharge and things like that, but this is something that I want to incorporate because I've gotten some good results out of it, and why not, right? We can make a better grow. We might as well do it. So anyway, I also added some seaweed extract to this from Green Rush. I am again waiting for the Gaia to activate, so I want to give it the best possibility for growth here. I just wanted to get things kind of set. So I did lower this to a super low pH level. Reasons why: I'm not looking to pick up the pH levels quite yet. So I will typically run 5.8 to 6.2 on my pH scale, which right here I'm at 5.5, but I'm not even sure. I'm just being safe in case this raises the pH level in the water. I'm not sure how this is going to correlate with the Green Rush, so I don't want to overdo it and cause issues, though I do know that the humic acid in this does allow you not to worry so much about your pH levels. So if you have enough humic acid in your soil, pH levels of your water kind of, in essence, and I say in essence because I don't want y'all to get the wrong idea when I say it kind of doesn't matter. So take that with a grain of salt. pH still matters, but the humic acids allow you not to stress about your pH so much. And I'm gonna see as a test if this will help Gaia Green with absorption and having the nutrient uptake be better. As I've grown with Gaia Green and also Green Rush, and have gotten obviously way better results in my opinion from the Green Rush. So I'm gonna try this and see if this will help the uptake of the Gaia. And again, could be me doing something wrong with the Gaia. Obviously, I'm not a perfect grower and have had some issues, but I want to see if there's a way to improve it. So this calls for 1 ounce per gallon of water. I got 5 here. And 3. Well, I spilled, so we'll just call that 5, even though it was 4, but put quite a bit in there. Anyway, this is a teaspoon, so it's basically 1 ounce of revitalizer per 1 gallon. I'm gonna get this mixed up here, and then I'm gonna check the pH on it. I'm gonna let you guys see that. I wanted to see, like I said, if this will actually help the Gaia uptake and maintain on a definitive level. So, I mean, look, and I'm not talking crap about Gaia Green. That's a great fertilizer. Obviously, I know I'm not using it in living soil. I'm going about it differently because I'm doing ProMix. So there's a lot of alternative factors there, but done a lot of runs with it and have gotten better results using Green Rush, and want to see if making a couple adjustments will help us and show you guys and help you guys see that maybe taking the alternative approach here will make a difference with the runs as far as Gaia goes. So let's see where this puts us. So we were at 5.5. Look at that, 6.1. So it does raise it a little bit for y'all, so you know. So we're locked in at 6.1 on the pH side, which is right where I want to be. So that's ideal for what I'm after.
Whole world's on this hazy ride. Green flag flying, we don't back down. Leaf in the air from town to town. One plant, one love, one smoke, one sound. We the loud generation, world renowned. Green flag flying, we don't back down. Leaf in the air from town to town. One plant, one love, one smoke, one sound. We the loud generation, world renowned. From the backwood porches to the rooftop views, from the glass jar.
All right, so now that I got the water down there, I'm just gonna come in here and we're gonna tuck these girls out. So I went with 3.5 on the net here when I set these up. I went 3.5 inches because I want them to have a little bit of tighter spacing to help with more control here. But that one's a little too short yet. I'm hoping this Gaia kicks in soon. It's been roughly 3 days, so I think we're right around the corner from the microbes starting to break them down. But we'll get some good growth out of this as soon as we get rolling here. But I think we're a little too short on most of this, but I'm literally just gonna come in here and keep tucking. We're gonna get this girl spread out because I want to maximize this run and see how much we can really get off of this. Get this down up there. So appreciate y'all's input on wanting to see certain things. A lot of y'all requested we SCROG this, and I am interested in, like I said, maximizing. So I figured what better time, right? What better time than now? I think I want that to get a little bit taller. She's already on this side, this side. That was a little shorty. Let's get this knocked down over here a little bit. I'm gonna send this one out this way too, just for growth's sake. This one can get a little bit taller. She'll start rolling out there too. We'll just fan her out. Fan her out in her entirety here. So this is gonna be a little bit of a tedious process. That's partly why I don't like sea greening. It takes time, but I think that it's worth it in the end personally, just because of the yields you're gonna end up getting. You're maximizing your space and obviously taking full advantage of the plant because you're getting more out of it. So it's worth it. But we're just gonna keep tucking along here. So when it comes down to it, we get a little bit more growth. And I know the newts are kicking in. I'm gonna come down here and clean this bottom up so we can keep the growth focused on the top, because obviously everything below is not gonna get a thing. So I will be cleaning the mess out of that, and we'll keep riding it out. I just wanted to get you guys an update on her this week to see how she was doing, and let y'all see where we're staying. So we'll be back next week. I'll check in on this one and keep y'all posted. Y'all need anything from Mars, y'all, I'm gonna drop the links down there in the description. Help yourselves. They're offering 3% off for viewers, which is cool. Save you guys some money, helps the channel out. Code WePop, obviously, like I said, I'll drop the link for you guys. We'll be getting some upgrades over here from Mars, so stay tuned on that, fam. But I appreciate you guys as always. Much love, and until next week. Peace.